Use garlic on an empty stomach has health benefits. 7 things that can happen inside your body. Garlic, also known as lesun in India, is a powerful herb that comes with several health benefits. From managing diabetes to aiding weight loss, this one herb can do it all. But what is the right time to add this to our diet? How should one consume this herb to get the best health benefits? Here's what you all need to know about the several health goodness that a clove of garlic can bring into your body when consumed daily, the right way. Understanding how garlic works when consumed on an empty stomach is important. The herb has a pungent taste and it can be a difficult task to have it first thing in the morning. However, looking at the several benefits it comes packed it, here is why one must start their morning by eating raw garlic with lukewarm water. Garlic works great for those suffering from weak immunity when consumed on an empty stomach. Works like magic for those who catch cold easily. It enhances the body's immunity against the virus that causes colds and coughs. When consumed on an empty stomach, garlic can help in improving your gut health. It eases problems like constipation and gastric pain. Garlic can boost your body's overall stamina. Garlic comes packed with many health benefits, some of which are listed below. Packed with antioxidant properties, garlic is great when it comes to treating inflammation. As per Ayurveda, garlic contains natural antioxidants that can remove reactive oxygen species and reduce lipid peroxides and low-density lipoprotein oxidation. This is the reason why people suffering from throat infections, colds and other diseases that are caused due to organ inflammation are suggested to use garlic. If you are suffering from high cholesterol, then garlic is the answer. Add this amazing herb to your daily diet and see the magic. Garlic is known to have properties that can lower total and LDL cholesterol. Another benefit of adding garlic to your diet is that it can help keep blood pressure under control. In a study, experts have shown that garlic extract was found to be just as effective as the drug atenolol, which is used in reducing high blood pressure. A great remedy to fight cold and cough is eating garlic. Garlic is known to boost the function of the immune system, thus enhancing the body's fight against complications created by colds. Low-calorie foods are the first choice of anyone who is into health management. When it comes to garlic, a single clove, 3 grams, of raw garlic contains 4.5 calories, 0.2 grams of protein, and 1 gram of carbs. Thank you for watching this video. Please give me your feedback in comment section.